Have you ever wondered what's beyond the valleys and hills, of the world that sits beyond the seas, with new horizons, new ideas, and new people to meet? Opportunities to explore, to learn, to see. There's so much out there to be discovered. But surely these opportunities aren't for people like you, held back by invisible borders, wondering if your chance will ever come. Taith is your key to unlock the world, making the impossible possible. We're here for the people who've been told they can't, to hold your hand and say, this one's for you. This adventure is all yours. To shape, to change, to broaden your point of view. So come on a Taith with us and let your journey begin. We'll take Wales to the world and bring the world to Wales. Stepping beyond familiar terrains, across international borders where new experiences await. In exchange, build partnerships through collaboration, shape the landscape of a sector and the future of our nation. Our differences are our strengths, and together we have an opportunity where the exchange of ideas ignites new possibilities, and every experience is a lesson in itself. The world is our classroom, and the journey starts here.